twice the width. The perimeter of the rectangle is 32, find the length. So here, we're really just solving a system of equations because we're given two equations with these sentences. The first step that I'm going to do is write those two equations. The first one says the length of a rectangle is, so again, that's telling me that the length is, that's is as equals. And then it's one more than, so I'm going to add 1 to, twice the width, so 2 times w. Now my second equation says if the perimeter of the rectangle is 32, then find the length. So the perimeter, we got to think about this. Remember a rectangle, 4 sides where we have the width, the length here, and the perimeter, we're adding them all together, right? So we could say L plus W plus L plus W, but I also know that there's 2 L's and 2 W's. So what I'm going to do for my equation here is I'm going to say 2W plus 2L equals my perimeter, which is 32. Now I have my two equations, and now I just need to solve the system of equations to find out what my length is, what L is equal to. I know that L is equal to all this junk here, so I'm going to go ahead and plug that into this part, which gives me 2W plus 2 times 1 plus 2W equals 32. Now I'm going to go ahead and distribute here and solve for W because this new equation only has one variable, meaning we know that we can solve it. In this case here, I get, ignore that, 2W plus 2 plus 4W equals 32. So I'm going to combine like terms to get 6W plus 2 equals 32. Subtract 2 from both sides to get 6W equals 30. Divide both sides by 6 to tell me that W is equal to 5. Great, we have W, but we're looking for the length. So what is L? I'm going to take that W and plug that back into my equation here, which tells me L is equal to 1 plus 2 times the width, which is 5. So that gives me 10 plus 1, which tells me that the length is equal to 11 units.